trying to
And
attend to something. I don't know.
okay, Babatope. Okay,
Batope is there.
Babatope, are you here with us?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm here. Yeah. I had a call, but I'm back now.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But have you tried upgrading your system from 2010 to, let's say, 2016 or 2019?
No, I haven't. I'm yet to do that.
Okay, no worries. So please try and do that.
Yes,
Okay, I'm going to start. But if you are okay with your Office version, right?
Sorry, Fifi, I can't hear you. What did you say?
Your Microsoft Office, which version do you have installed on your system? Is it 365, 2019, or you have no idea?
Let's wait first. So the thing is that I'm trying to get a new laptop, right? Because this laptop was formatted. So I want to get a new laptop and now install the Microsoft Office. So which one would you recommend I install?
I will do the 365.
365.
So yes, get a subscription from Microsoft. Then
I think I got to die.
So if you have a
family version.
Yeah, so the family version, you can add 5 people to your account. You can share with 5 people. Yes, so maybe do that, and maybe if you can share it with your team members so that they can also at least benefit from your family subscription.
They have now. They should all have.
They should all have.
Okay. Sure you have.
Oh, I don't think
he's got.
I don't have it.
Yeah. You don't have?
Yeah. I don't.
Oh.
Okay. No worries.
I have 2010 on my system as I
speak. 2010. Yeah. So we will need to get Babatope 365. So if you can share your subscription with him for him to create a Microsoft account and join your family group. And from there, he can go into the account, download the desktop version, install it, and have the full features of what we are doing. Okay. Are we all okay now?
Yeah.
You are right. Okay. So, because we need to be tracking what you are doing on our laptops.
That is it. Because if you don't do that, then it will be difficult for you following.
To catch up. Yeah.
Yes. So we'll continue with the last 2 projects of Excel. So we're going to look at the overview, which is bike auction. You are an administrative assistant for the City Police Department. You have been tasked to modify a workbook in preparation for an upcoming auction of lost or stolen bicycles. So our first task, Okay, so with our first task, configure the catalog worksheet so rows 1 through 3 remain visible as you scroll vertically. Okay, so as I scroll vertically, this is row 1 to 3. But as I scroll, it should still remain in sight. I need to be able to see that as I scroll. So with that in mind, where do you think I can get the option to more or less freeze those 3 rows so that as I scroll down vertically, the first 3 rows will still be there for me to see? Yes.
Can we go to view? Is it view?
Good. I'm looking at viewing. Well done, Babatope. Okay, so now, what's next? What's next?
Focus cell.
Come again.
That's it.
Where? Where do you want me to go?
I think I can see focus cell here. Or is it?
Focus cell. I don't see focus cell. Okay, focus cell. Okay. I don't think so.
No, it's not.
I don't think so.
Okay, what about no, okay.
So we need
to first select. We need to first select those 3 rows that we want to, right?
Okay. Okay, I've done that. So what do we do?
So we've selected, right? Okay, we have new window arrange of freeze panes.
Aha.
Yeah.
So under freeze panes, what do we have?
So we have a freeze top row, freeze first column, and I think it's the first 3 rows, right? So it will be free top row.
Okay, so if I say free top row,
pane. No, that would be the first row, right? So, but we are looking at the first 3. So it should be freeze and panes.
Okay, so if I freeze panes, now I've done that. If I scroll down, I'm missing something.
It can't be now. It's not pane now.
Come again?
It's not pane. It's the row now.
Yes, but I know it's a row. Yes, but looking at what Babatope just took us through, I selected the first 3 rows, right? And I hit on freeze pane. Let me unfreeze. So if I unfreeze and I go back to freeze panes, this is what is happening. It froze. Let me remove the grid line.
Sorry, Fifi. Fifi. Hello?
Yes,
sorry, just to get it straight. Is it that the picture, the bicycle and the title with the unction ID description should not go up while you are scrolling?
Yes, it shouldn't go up while I'm scrolling.
Oh, okay. Those are the ones you are supposed to freeze, right?
Freeze. So because I want to freeze from row 1 to row 3, I'll need to come to row 4. Babatope, you got it right. But just a few tweaks here, then you should be on your way. So I come to row 4, then I'll select what? Freeze panes. So once I do that, you see there is a thin line here. I've removed all the grid lines.
Yeah.
So this shows that it has been frozen. So as I scroll down, you see, I still have my row 1 to 3 locked. Are we okay?
Yeah.
So that's the use of the freeze pane. But if you go back, let me unfreeze, and you select freeze top row, it only freeze row 1.
Row 1, yeah, I've seen that. Yeah.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
And if I come back,
freeze pane is the right one.
Yes, but I'm just explaining so that you get it. Then freeze first column only freezes column A. So as I move to my right, column A is still inside.
Yeah.
Right? So the reason why we went to view is because we want to view certain portions of our worksheet. So that is the rationale behind it. That is why you need to understand the concept, the tabs, the groups. That's going to make your work easier. Okay, so I come to row 4. Then I'll say what? Freeze panes. And that is done. Are we good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Wait.
Yes, I'll wait.
You want to freeze, right?
Yes.
You would select row 1 to 4 if you want to freeze row 1 to 3, right?
Yeah, so if I want to freeze row 1 to 3, I'll select row 4.
No,
if you want to freeze row 1 to 3, you select row number 4 so that it will freeze above it.
Oh, so okay. But how about let me give you an example. I don't know whether it's applicable, but how about if you want to freeze, let's say you are in row 6, you want to freeze only row 5 without the other rows. Would it not freeze every other thing?
You want to freeze row 5, because if you are freezing row 5, then what it means is row 5 and above, up to row 1 will be frozen.
That's the thing. You cannot freeze a line in between, right?
No. Okay. You can only freeze the top row or first column, but you can't freeze a line in between.
Okay.
Unless maybe Microsoft advances, but I don't know how that's going to work and how operational it will be to only freeze row 5 and above. Up to row 1 will be frozen.
Okay.
Are we okay? Yeah. To only freeze row 5 and leave the rest.
Okay.
Then we can also have another option. I've seen this new feature. Let me test it out. Focus cell. Oh, okay. I just saw this. Okay. So when you select, it's highlighted for you. Oh, okay, that's nice. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
The focus cell. Okay, it's a new feature I'm seeing. That's nice. Okay. So we learn every day.
What's the focus cell for? What's it for?
It's more or less highlight what you've selected and pinpoint the row and the column that you are working with. So column D, row 26. Okay. So it's more or less focuses your attention there. Are we okay?
Yep.
Yes. So you see, you can never stop learning. New things coming up every day. Okay. Add the status draft to the document properties. Add the status draft to the document properties. Where do I click? Where do I go?
Go to File.
File.
Go to, I'm coming. Info.
Info.
Go to status should be somewhere around there. Where's
yes, it's here. So since you are not seeing it, then you need to go to show all properties.
Show all properties.
Okay. So now once you click on
show all properties,
when you scroll down, you see show fewer properties, show all properties. Under info, you go all the way to your right. Then you see show all properties.
Okay.
Now I need to add my status draft. So it gives you properties about the document. When was it last printed? 13th January 2016. It was created 19th October 2007. The last modified is today at 16:29 per Microsoft clock. Okay. Then this is our status property.
Yeah.
Then we just type draft.
Change it to draft.
Yeah. So it's just an indication that, okay, it is still in its preparatory stage. We are not done yet. So when I finish the document, I can just come and write status complete. Are we okay?
Yeah, sure.
Straight. So let me go back. The third task, configure Excel to always print cell ranges A1 through to F17 on the sales worksheet. So you want to print from A1 to F17. So if I look at this is our worksheet. And F17 ends here, right?
Yeah.
Are you following? Yeah. So if I do a Control P, let's see what's going to happen. So it will print all the way and include 2000.
Hello?
Yes.
I'm really sorry for interrupting. Please, I wanted to know. Sorry, please, how do you find out the version of the Microsoft Word? I'm seeing Microsoft Word on my laptop. So I want to know how do I?
You go to File. Are you there?
Yes, please.
So under File, you see Account. If you don't see Account, you need to click on More.
Account.
Account. Hey. Do you see Account?
I'm coming, this Microsoft Word. Under what, please? Under
you see
what?
Account. Under File Account. Do you see?
Please, just continue. Don't worry.
Okay. Click on File. You click on File. Tell me what you see.
Wait, just walk out through. I mean, it's...
So click on File. Tell me what do you see when you click on File? Yes, I've done that. Okay, tell me what do you see? What do you see on the left?
New, open, info, save as, print, share, export, more.
Click on More.
Account.
Account. Yes. So what do you see?
It's yet to show me.
Okay.
Okay, under account, I'm seeing product information. Okay.
You should see Microsoft what? Is
okay,
it 2019?
So view only unlicensed Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2024.
So that is the version you currently use it.
Why did they say this product is unlicensed?
Because you don't have a license. You need to subscribe. You need to subscribe to Microsoft so that they take a yearly subscription fee. So that's what I do every year.
So what is this that I'm now using? What does this mean? What is this?
So it's unlicensed product. And if it's unlicensed, how do I even put it? You won't have the full features of it. Or sometimes you can use it for maybe about a week. Then all the features will be deactivated until you get a license.
Okay. Okay. I'm seeing Microsoft 365 and Office updates. Is this where to now update?
Yes, you need to click on it to update it.
Okay.
So once it's updated,
to get the license.
Yes, once it's updated, they will ask you to purchase a license. Then you just use your card, type in the details, then you have your 1-year subscription. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, good. So configure Excel to always print cell ranges A1 to F17, right?
Yes.
So if I do Control P, it will print the entire worksheet. But we only want to print just the heading, the graphic, up to the last row, excluding the total
F17.
row. We need to exclude the total row. So how do we do that? So I need to first select my range, A1
select
colon F17. Within the name box, boom, it's highlighted.
Yeah.
Now I will need to configure it to print cell range A1 to F17. So how do we do the configuration? Where do I click?
If you did put column F17, no?
Oh, I did.
You just put only A1.
I did. A1 colon F17.
If you didn't put column F17, it will not highlight the.
Yes.
It won't highlight
it. So once you hit on enter, it will highlight it, but you only see A1, but you won't see the column F17.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I get it now.
Good. So now I will need to print that cell range. Configuring Excel to always print that cell range and forget about the total that we have down there. So what should we do? Where do I click? Where do I go?
I don't even understand the question in the first place, so I don't even know what to prefer.
Okay, no problem. I'm doing a Control P now, right?
Can we go to, okay.
So if I do a Control P, I am printing the entire worksheet, right?
Yes, yes, Control P, yes.
Yes, we'll print the entire worksheet. But the system is asking us to only print from the bicycle, the heading, up to the last
A1 to F17.
F17. And total sold here is not part of the range. So how do I ensure that when somebody hits Control P, it will print just that and leave the total
only
sold?
That one.
Yes.
Oh, okay, I get it now. Wow.
So how do we achieve this?
Can we?
How do we achieve this? Adetola, welcome.
Can we try page layout?
Yes, page layout.
Margins arranged. Print area. Go to print area.
They're saying print area.
That is it. Then you say what?
Set print area. Wow.
That's it. Now Control P. Have you seen the change?
Wow.
Wow. That is it.
Please, let's go back. Like page layout stands alone. It's not under any.
Yes, page layout, page setup group, set print area. Okay, and once you hover the mouse, it gives you a screen tip. So even if you want to learn, you can even learn from the screen tips. Oh, adjust margins. It sets the margin sizes for the entire document or the current section. Choose from several commonly used margin formats or customize your own. Boom. Okay, so if you want to learn more about it, tell me more. It takes you to a page, you read about it. So you can actually do a self-study.
I'm not getting.
What I'm saying is you can use the screen tips as a guide. So if you have a particular function or a button that you don't have an understanding, you can use a screen tip to get an idea. And if what you are reading is not convincing, you can say, tell me more. Then you see it loads. You have access to internet. Okay. It will load, give you more information. You read about it. Okay. Although blah, 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 blah. Then you see you are learning. Are we okay?
So you can just sit down on Excel and learn everything.
Yes. Are we okay?
Actually, it's true. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Every feature. Every
feature. That is it. Okay.
So it's just the time.
The time. That is
it. Just the time.
I've showed you the way. Okay. Task 4. On the sales worksheet, randomly generate numbers between 1,000 and 2,000 to populate the auction ID column from A4 to A17. So you have no idea about which formula to use. And you've been confronted with this particular task in your job. And your boss is on your neck. Babatope, Ifi, Adetola, I want you to generate random numbers between 1,000 and 2,000 to populate the auction ID. I don't want you to do it manually. And I need a formula for that. So what should I do? And if you don't do it, you'll be sacked. You'll be deemed ineffective and inefficient by your boss. So in order to save your job, what are you going to do? You don't have access to the internet, but you've got Excel. How do you navigate this? My people, let's brainstorm.
I'll ask AI. I'll ask ChatGPT.
You don't have internet. You have Excel. What do? You want a formula, right? Babatope, Adetola.
Sorry, I've been talking to myself.
I've been talking to yourself.
I just saw that. So I said,
yes.
I said the area we want to assign these numbers, is it the whole worksheet?
No, the auction ID column. Yes. Okay. The auction ID column.
Okay, that's column A.
That is it.
Right. Okay, starting I think we may first need to select that column.
Okay.
And go to formulas.
Formulas. So you select a cell within that column, which is the first cell. Formulas.
We go to what formulas. Do we do? Let me see. Okay.
Are you not supposed to select A4 to A17?
No, we are not there yet. You need to first of all get a formula right, then you can autofill the formula. Are we okay?
See, Fifi, this Excel, is that, the language is the issue for me. Like, I can imagine in exam situation, I have a limited time frame, and the issue is, how can I understand the question? Because if I understand the question,
Yes.
I don't have a problem navigating to the particular tool.
Yes.
So how do you help us here, or help me? Yeah, because that's my major challenge.
Yes. That is why you have.
I'm not used to the lingo at all.
Don't worry, you will get it. Okay. So let me explain this. With formulas, you apply formulas to a cell. Then you can do an autofill. Fill the formula down into multiple cells. Are you okay with this explanation?
They did not ask for formula. Formula was not stated in the question, no?
Yes, formula was not stated. But the question is saying we need to randomly generate numbers between 1,000 and 2,000. And if you want to randomly generate a number, it is the formula that you have to use. Okay. If you don't use a formula, I don't know what else you can use in Excel to accomplish that task.
So, Pipi, I get this one, right?
Yes.
Now, I don't want it to be like, okay, I don't understand this question. You answer me. You will not explain the exam questions to me. So
yes,
there are going to be different questions. Yeah?
Yes.
How can I understand any question I come across in Excel?
That is why we are doing this. And that is why you are asking all these questions. And that is why I'm also trying to explain. Are we okay with that point?
Is there a code or a mechanism for understanding? Okay, when you're talking about numbers, you go to formula. Okay, when you are talking about issues, you go to file to solve the issues. Oh, when you're talking about this, do you understand?
Yes, that is why we are going through this series of practice exercises, which will help us cover all the areas and help you understand the exam format. But my focus here is not necessarily about the exam, but about using the skills in this practice exercise. So you need to get a skill. Once you get a skill, passing the exam is a giveaway. Okay. So I understand where you are coming from, yes, Excel is relatively more or less new or something you don't often use in your line of work. But I'll do the best I can to explain this to you. So if I am dealing with formulas, I cannot select an entire row and enter a formula. Once I start to enter a formula, it will just pick one of the cells. So let's say I'll need to do a sum of whatever is here, and I'll hit enter. You see, that formula was registered in H1, even though I selected the entire column. So when dealing with formulas, you need to first of all select the cell to create the formula. And after you created a formula and you want to repeat the formula in other cells, you can go ahead to do that. Let me open a new worksheet. Can you see this? Can you all see clearly?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, 75, 67, 89, 54, 23. Okay. 54, 67, 89, 76, 54. Okay. Then 40, 42, 35, 67, 89. So this is Ifi, Baba, Tope, Adetola, Kelechi, 46, okay. Now I want the total. Okay. So because I want the total for this, and we are dealing with numbers, and Excel is an analytics tool for calculation. for generating graphs. So if I want to find a total, what will inform you that, oh, I will need to use a formula in this situation, but not go through maybe page layout, not go through insert? What will make you think that you will need a formula for this, Ify?
If what? I didn't get your question.
I'm saying, what will inform you that, oh, with this particular thing that I'm doing, I'll need a formula for this?
Okay. Because there are a lot of numbers, so you need to use a formula to just hasten the addition process.
Okay. So if that is the case, then it means that if I'm using formulas, which tab do you think would be appropriate for me to go to? So look at the tabs. Which tab will I go to find that formula? Babatope, Adetola.
Which tab? You are saying which tab?
You go to formula now.
Aha.
You say some now.
Yes, I know some, but I want you to look at it in this context.
I want you want to do is you want to automate the addition process of these numbers that you have there, right? So you need formula to do that. And then we have those tabs there, from files to help. There is a tab for formula. So you click on that. I think that's the first thing we do. We go to formula.
Okay, right? Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Babatope. But Ify is also saying that you can use some, right?
Some, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Ify just said you can use some because she knows about some.
But I think the difference between the two now will be that if you are using some, that means you will repeat that for every row, right?
No, you don't need to repeat it. So I will get to that. Okay. Because I'm trying to get to the point why when you are applying formulas, you don't select the entire column, but you select one of the cells first, apply the formula, then you can apply it to the entire column. Yeah, that is where I want to get to. But in order to get to that, I want you to understand the principles of tab, groups, dialog box launchers. Okay, so we have the tabs, home to help. And under each tab, we have the Microsoft ribbon, this whole space. And under the Microsoft ribbon for insert, we have groups, tables, illustration, controls, chat, spark lines, filters, links, comment, text, and symbols. Are we all on the same page here? Ify, Adetola. Let me hear from you before I proceed.
Sorry, everybody.
Are you okay? Okay, Adetola, I've seen your thumbs up. Ify, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, but I'm not getting your question.
What I'm saying is, I want you to understand the navigation process using tabs and groups. Are you okay with that point?
Tabs and groups.
Yes. So file is a tab, home is a tab, insert is a tab, draw is a tab, page layout is a tab.
Yeah.
Formulas is a tab. Yes. And each tab comes with its own Microsoft ribbon. Okay? So if I go to the home tab, it comes with its own Microsoft ribbon with different groups. Clipboard group, font group, alignment group. The name of the group is underneath it, right? Number group, styles group, cells, editing, sensitivity, add-ins, co-pilot.
Yes.
Co-pilot, be amazing. Are we okay with that?
Yes.
So we have tabs and groups. That is TG. And dialog box launchers, which is D. TGD. So if you want to be an expert at using any of the Office applications, you will need to understand tabs, groups, and dialog box launchers. Are we okay with that point?
Yes.
So
yes.
A group where you see this, how do you call it? This symbol, we call this the dialog box launcher. The font has got some, same for alignment. But the style doesn't have dialog box launcher. Have you realized? You see, there is no dialog box launcher for styles. There is no dialog box launcher for cells. But we've got one for numbers. Are you guys here with me? You need to unmute. So what's the job of this dialog box launcher? It gives you access to additional tools because they cannot put all the tools here for you. If not, it will extend the application and you have so many things in your face. So there are certain tools which are not available within the phase of the group. And you can get these tools by executing the dialog box launcher. So you got more control. Yes.
So what did you say? What did you just say?
I'm saying there are tools that cannot be placed here. And if you're looking for that tool for a work and you cannot find it within the phase of the group, you can get the tools by executing the dialog box launcher for that group. Are we okay?
Okay. They are hidden tools.
That is it. So if you want those tools, you click on the dialog box launcher for that tool.
And it shows everything.
That is it.
Okay.
And it even gives you flexibility, indentation, horizontal, general, vertical, bottom. So you can play around with this. And even the orientation, you can even decide the degree that you want. But if you come here, orientation, we have clockwise, angle, anti-clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. But if you want more options, you can get it from here by executing the dialog box launcher.
Wow, so that's what it's for.
Have I made my point clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is it.
So are you saying that? So talking about formulas now, maybe I don't know the formula for some. Are you saying that I can just go to formulas and get the particular formula?
Yes, you are now, coming home. Yeah? You are now speaking my language. Are you okay? Are you okay?
How do I know? How do I know how that is some I need?
Okay. So now we are progressing. We are making some, progress here. So you get access to all the functions. You see the f of x. Have you seen f of x? Insert function. Have you seen it? On your left.
Yes.
Insert function.
FX, insert function, yes.
And we have function library. We have functions for text, functions for financial, logical, date and time, math and trigonometry, more functions, a host of them. But if you want access to everything, you come to insert function like this. Are we okay?
So when you did that, this came out.
That is it. Now, can you proceed?
So you can say what you want to. Is it like an AI tool?
No, it's not an AI tool. It's not a Google tool, but it's more or less like, you can search within the database of Excel. Okay, so type a brief description of what you want to do and click go. I want to add. So it has given me some options. Convert a number into a text representation with a given radix or base. Sum if. As the cell specified by a given condition or criteria. Sum ifs. Add the cell specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. Sum product returns the sum of the product of corresponding ranges or arrays. That's not what I'm looking for. So I want to add a range of cells. And it's still giving me some if. Let's say add cells. Are you following?
Yeah.
So add cells, I have dsum, right? Which is database field criteria. Don't worry, I will explain all the function argument as we proceed. So add the number in the field, column of records in the database that match the conditions you specify. That's not what we are looking at. Sum. Add all of the numbers in a range of cells. So this is what we're looking for. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Now I'll hit on OK. Boom. So it gives me the function argument. So we have number 1, fill. Add all of the numbers in a range of cells, and it gives you a preview of the word results. So number 1, number 2 are 1 to 255 numbers to sum. Logical values and text are ignored in cells, included if typed as what? Argument. Okay. So we have 2 ways of adding this. So this is my function argument. I'm going to clear what is here. So I want to add the first item for IFE. So that is what? Number 1. Are we okay with that?
Yeah.
Then I go to number 2. Which one is my number 2? Babatope, which is B2. You see, it's calculating for me, even though I have not finished. Number 3 will be what? Adetola. Okay. And number 4 will be what? Kelechi. Now I hit OK. Boom. Addition done. That is one way of adding using the function argument. So sum A2, B2, C2, D2, So the question here is, what if you have about 5 million or 1,000 columns to add? Then that will change the discussion. Are we okay? So I'll go back to my function argument. So you can get a function argument, the insert function here, or you can get the insert function from the what? Formula bar. Sorry. Yeah. From the formula bar, next to the formula bar, we have this insert function. So you don't need to go all the way to formulas and come to fx. Are we okay?
Yeah.
So I just click on fx and I'm looking for sum. Because I've used it, I'll just tap on it. So instead of typing this to that, you see automatically the system is intelligent. It has picked the range A2 to what? D2. If it doesn't pick it, I'll just come, click and drag. Once you click and drag over the range, A2 through to D2, and you are done. And you still get 255. Are we okay? Babatope, Adetola, Ifi, are you okay?
Yes, but okay. How did you know from the formula icon that you are supposed to put your ranges in brackets? How did you know?
I do not put my ranges in brackets. Because I use the function argument, the system put a bracket there for me.
Oh, so you just put sum A2.
I did not even do sum. I didn't do sum. Let me clear. fx, then I just double tap sum. Then the system automatically put in the A2 to what? D2. I hit on OK. Then now the formula is written for me.
How did it know you wanted to add? Was it that initial instruction you gave?
Because of the function sum. So sum means what?
Sum means add, and because of the cell that you have highlighted under total, right? That shows that you want the system to add the numbers before it and put the total in that So since you have clicked on sum, and then you have put your cursor on that cell, the system automatically picks it that you want to add these numbers, and then just add it automatically and put your total scores there for you.
That is it.
That's it.
Are we okay, Ify?
Yes, please.
Okay. So now we've done the formula for 1. I don't need to come here and go through that same process again. It's not needed. Okay? So I will just position my mouse at the bottom right corner. It turns into a black cross. Are we good with this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I've got 2 options. I just double tap 1, 2. Then it automatically fills the remaining cells with a formula. Are we okay? Are we okay?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay. Or I can just select the entire column, and we are using our tab groups principle, right? And now what I'm trying to do is I will need to more or less create the formulas for all the cells. And in doing that, I'm editing my worksheet. Do we all agree with that?
Yeah.
So if I'm editing, which group under the home tab should I go to?
You go to editing.
So with the editing group, I need to fill down the formula, right? So there is a button for what? Fill. And all I need to do is to do what? Fill down. Boom. So that is if you are using the tabs, the groups, and the dialog box launchers. Are we okay? So in a situation where your keyboard is not working and you have a mouse working, as a specialist, you should be able to use the mouse to do your calculations, click, 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 and get it done. So if you don't have your keyboard functioning, where you cannot type the formulas manually, you just click, select, drag, click, select, drag, boom, 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 then it's done. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Good. And this will now take us to another level of discussion, what we call absolute. Hey, today you are making me teach you. Absolute referencing. And relative.
Fifi.
Yes.
Fifi,
yes.
In the past questions you did, we really didn't see all this Word and Excel.
Yes, you won't see it. I'm preparing you beyond the exam. We are going beyond the exam, looking at practical skills for your work. So please don't let your focus be on passing certification exam. Yes, you will pass. But after passing...
No. I'm enjoying the whole process of understanding, but I'm just asking if this is what, as in these practical areas, are what we would also see in the exam.
No, you will see some, but not all. And I think I mentioned that I'm trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So as you complete IC3, I'm also preparing you for the Microsoft Office Specialist certification in Excel. Are we okay?
Yeah.
So let's go with the flow. So we've got absolute referencing and what? Relative referencing. And I want you to pay attention here. I'm going to click within my formula bar. Have you seen that the range has been highlighted? A2 to D2. Have you seen that? Okay, I want you to respond. Are we okay with that?
Yes.
So when I hit on enter and I move, it's no longer A2 to D2, but it has changed from A2 and it has moved to A3 towards D3. Are we okay with that? Are we okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. I'll hit enter again. I'll see A4 to D4.
G4.
So the formula adapts or changes as I move down the row. So we call this relative referencing. It's relative. So the formula adjusts as it's being filled down. Are we okay?
Okay.
And absolute talks about locking one cell or locking a cell so that particular cell will still be used in that formula without necessarily changing it. Okay?
Fifi, are you still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Uh-oh.
I'm still here. Can you hear me? Oh, she left. She's having network issues. Okay, Babatope, Adetola, are you following?
Yeah, I'm with Adetola.
Okay, Adetola is awfully quiet.
Oh, sorry. I'm in a noisy place, but I'm following, yes.
Okay, that's fine. So with absolute reference, let's say, okay, I want to find this being multiplied by 2, okay? So let's say double the total, okay? So if I'm to double the total, what I need to do is to multiply this by 2, right? Whatever is here by 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I'll just put 2 here. And I'll say equal to, because I need to create a manual formula. So equal to this times, so the shift and the 8 times 2. So with relative referencing, this is how it's supposed to be, right? I'm going to do an autofill. Watch here. But why is this not multiplying the 2? Then there is a problem. Are we okay?
Okay.
So there should be absolute reference in here. So if I look at this first one, okay, E2 is multiplying G1, which is perfect. Okay, now if I move down, E3 is now multiplying G2. Have you seen it? If I move down, E4 is now multiplying G3. I move down again, E5 is now multiplying G4. I move down again, E6 is multiplying G5. So there is a problem. We need to lock the G1 so that it will be G1 for all of them. Am I making some sense here?
Okay.
So in order to lock the G1, we go into our formula bar and we highlight the G1.
Okay,
and
just the G1.
Just the G1 because you are locking the G1. So you can manually put $sign before and after the G or press F4 on the keyboard. So if you're using a laptop, you usually see Fn plus F4. So F4, now you hit enter. Now I'm now going to do an autofill again. Now you see, it's been sorted. Now let's check. E2 is multiplying G1 because it's been locked. E3 changes. So E3 is relative here, right? But G1 is locked. E4 is relative, but G1 is locked. E5 is relative, G1 is locked. E6 is relative, but G1 is locked. So if I continue to do this, scroll all the way down, all I need to do is to put a number here. 45 is locked. So to always refer to that absolute cell in that formula. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is absolute and what? Relative referencing. And this is how you use that in formulas. Okay? So I'm going to close it and we get back to this. Wow. Are we okay, my people? Okay. So on the sales worksheet, so we are coming back to this. Randomly generate numbers between 1,000 and 2,000 to populate the Octane ID column from A4 through to what? A17. So we want to randomly generate numbers. So based on what we've done, what should I do in this situation? What should I do in this situation? Yes. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here with you.
Yes. So what should I do? Where should I go? Where should I click?
I think we are still on formula, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we still use I think we need to first highlight the column that we want to work on.
Mm-hmm.
So
you select the first
so we select
cell.
that column. Yeah, that cell. Yes. We go to insert function.
So I want to randomly generate.
So let's just quickly type it there. Yeah.
Randomly generate numbers.
Numbers from 1,000 to.
Okay, 2,000. So please rephrase your question. Generate randomly numbers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Since we are given a specific range to choose from, don't you think we need to include it?
No.
From 1,000 to 2,000.
No. It is not needed. You just need a function for that.
It's okay. So random. Okay.
Random. Yeah. So if you look at this, we have rand, right? Returns a random number greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1, evenly distributed. That's changes on calculation, recalculation. Okay. So this is what we need. But they said we need to generate random numbers between 1,000 and 2,000. And we have another formula. Rand array returns an array of random numbers. Is that what we want?
Then
we have rand between returns a random number between the numbers you specify. So we have what? Bottom and top. But between is what? 1,000. Yes, rand between.
1,000 and 2,000. That's the one we need.
That is it. So what is our bottom number? Is what? 1,000.
1,000.
And what is our top? 2,000. That's it.
Okay.
So even though you didn't know about this formula, you've used the function arguments to find out. Are we okay?
Yeah, so can we click OK now? And
yeah, we click on OK, boom, then automatically it's done for us.
Wow.
And because this is in the form of a table, it automatically copies itself to the rest of the cells. Have you seen it? So 1,002, 1,599, 1,152, 1,353, 1,436, 1,811. And so it goes. Are we good?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So task 4. So let's look at task 4. Task 5, yes. In cell B4 on the sales worksheet, insert a function that joins the description and style located in the catalog worksheet. Separate the description and style with a hyphen and a space on both sides of the hyphen. Do you want me to take that again?
Yeah.
In cell B4 of the sales worksheet, so this is cell B4, and we are on the sales worksheet, right? And we need to insert a function that joins the description and style located on the catalog worksheet. Okay, so on the catalog worksheet,
where is this? Okay.
Catalog worksheet, we have description and style, right? Yeah. And we want this to automatically come here. But the description and style should be separated by a space with a hyphen and a space on both sides. Okay. So if we are joining them, then it should be something like this: cross country space hyphen space hardtail. And this is what we should get when we join it. Are we following?
Okay.
So we come to sales. And we will need to join these two cells together with a space before the hyphen and after the hyphen.
Yeah.
How are we going to achieve this with a formula? So using that same principle, where do we click? Where do we go?
I think we select that's B4. We select yes, we
select B4. Yeah, I've done that.
Okay.
So what do I do next?
Description and style. But my issue now is that on this screen now, I'm not seeing style. I can only see description.
Yes, but the description on style is on the catalog.
Okay.
So we are getting the entries in this catalog worksheet.
Okay.
And bringing all of them here as one description.
Okay.
So we will need a formula for that.
Let's go to insert function. I've selected
insert function. So we will need a function that will join a function that will join the content of cells, right?
Yeah.
So join cells. Let's see. Okay. Text join, concatenate a list or range of text strings using a delimiter. That is one. Okay.
Join. Okay. Join. Okay.
So I'm using join.
Okay, we have text join.
Concatenate a list or range of text strings. Then concatenate also join several text strings into one text string. So concatenate, and text join. Okay. So let's look at it. I want us to try concatenate.
I think so, yeah.
We hit on OK.
Text.
Okay. Text. So it's asking for text 1. Yeah. And they are saying we need to join. We need to join what? The description. And the description is on the catalog worksheets, right?
Yeah.
So I go to catalog, then this is my description. So what is my text 2? So the text 2 should be a space, because there should be a space in between the description. Okay. And there should be a hyphen, right?
Yeah.
So text 2, I'll tap on the space bar. I've created a space. Okay. And I go to text 3, hyphen, right?
Text
and there 4. Should be a space after the hyphen. I'll hit a space. Then my text 5 will be the what? Style. So I'll go back to the catalog. Then I'll select what? Style. Are we okay?
It's okay. Yeah.
So once I hit on OK, boom, automatically it's populated. Are we okay with that? Are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And I saw something interesting. I want us to look at that as well. So join, because we are always learning. What is this text join? Let's see.
Let's look at the description again. Let's go.
Okay.
Text join.
Yes.
Join.
So text join is asking for delimiter, which is character or string to insert between each text item, right? So the delimiter should be a space and a hyphen and a space after. Okay?
Okay.
Then where is my text 1? My text 1 will be the catalog, description.
Description, yeah.
And my text 2 should be the what? Style. Once I hit on OK, boom, text join will also do the same job.
We still arrive at the same. Yeah.
Do you see the beauty of this? Okay. Adetola, are you okay with this? Yes.
Anybody try to follow. Sorry, I'm trying to follow. I want to ask, are we going to, why can I access all these recordings after the
Okay, no worries. Give me a second. 1 minute. I'll be back. 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm back.
Okay.
So have you seen what's happening here?
Yeah.
So that is text join. Now, we saw another one, concat, right?
Yeah.
So concat is also here. But let's read it first. Concat. Concatenate a list or range of what? Text strings, right?
Yeah.
So my first text one, I go to catalog, description, right? My text 2 is space. Text 3 is hyphen. There should be a space for text 4. Text 5, I go to catalog, then style. Boom. So now text join, concatenate can be used to achieve this. But usually people use concatenate. But I'm just letting you know that you can use concat and what? Concatenate. Are we good?
Text join. Yeah.
Any questions?
We're good.
Perfect. So please try.
Sorry, I have to
try. You have a question?
No, I said I have to join another meeting with Ife, but I want to find out the recordings. I've not been seeing them in our classrooms.
Oh,
the recording for the class.
I will upload it. It's on the YouTube channel, but I will upload it into the Google Classroom. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you so much.
No worries. Okay. So we've got project 6 of what? 7. So Babatope, I don't know if we should end now so that you have more time to go through the Excel tutorials on YouTube.
What's the time?
It should be 12:30 at your end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So that you have more time to go through the Excel tutorial.
It's okay. I mean, it's like I'm the only one left, on this call now. It's okay.
Yes, you're the only one here at the minute.
No problem. I've not even been able to start the Excel tutorials yet. So.
Okay. No worries.
Next 30 minutes to see what we can do.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
All right, thank you. Yeah, take care. See you tomorrow.
Bye.